open the door. This light right here, the cover's missing. But you can take a straight blade screwdriver, just get under here. There's 2 clips on the side, one right there, one right there, and then just slide it out. It is clipped in on the back, so slide it forward. You want to disconnect the electrical connector. Just use the straight blade screwdriver, get underneath there, and slide it out. All right, connect the connector. And then slide these 2 tabs in, just like that, and lock it in place.